everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. Well, today's video is about one of those other things. That thing over there in the background. Don't know if you can see it that well, but you'll see more of it. It's what I call a poolside shelter. I was at Costco and I saw the prefabbed shelters that they have, and I thought, man, I could probably build one for about half of what they would charge. So I went online and started to get some plans and decided to go ahead and build one. And that's what this is all about. Oh, you might see a snippet of some barbecuing going on, but most of it is about that build and where I'm going to take it and where it's going to go when it's all done. So stay tuned.
Regulators. We regulate any stealing of his property. We're damn good too. But you can't be any geek off the street. Gotta be handy with the steel, if you know what I mean. Earn your keep.
Regulators! Mount up!
Cheers. Mariners are in first place. Got the grill going behind me. Nice frosty one. Okay, so this is phase one, as I'm calling it, of the poolside shelter. Got the framing all done and the roof on and make it usable. As you can see, I've got a couple of grills out here, a table, the ugly drum smoker, and then part of phase two is the custom wall dividers there that you see along the back. Be adding some blockage across there along these posts here. I'm going to put bar tops along there. Along each side I've got some tall bar chairs that'll go on the outside of it, but that kind of gives you an idea of the grilling area. And then you have the fire pit. You know, I don't know, phase three will include adding electrical throughout, and then probably flooring. Not sure if I'm going to go with a wood deck or pavers or just a cement slab, but at least we got it to where we can use it. Hope you enjoyed the video and stay tuned as the project continues.